The art of timing social media posts for retail success. Retail marketers posting their social media messages at random times are likely overlooking key opportunities to convert potential customers into successful checkout cart transactions. It also delves into industry-specific data for retail marketers to consider as they plan their social strategies across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Each platform offers distinct benefits depending on a brand's goals, content type, and audience. Knowing when to post on social networks. Peak social engagement shifts to business hours. Engagement times now favor general business hours, with optimal times being Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. until early afternoon. Social media interactions have risen consistently every day of the week. These findings further solidify social media as the preferred and primary communication channel for brands to connect with consumers and for consumers to get in touch with brands, she said. New factors for social commerce success. In fact, U.S. consumers spent 18% more in March 2022 than the 2 years prior. Trends shaping profitable e-retail. The Sprout Report presents other insights reflecting the trends that successful retailers use to their advantage. Half of the sellers aim to explore new e-commerce platforms and global marketplaces, underscoring the importance of an omni-channel presence.